We're at Lucas Oil Fabrication in Brownsburg, Indiana, where we build everything from race car chassis to truck parts, and we're gonna have a little fun today.
We have a really exciting competition today. Cynthia and 5 Lucas Oil Fab Shop fabricators will compete to assemble a Lucas stabilizer monster truck using Lincoln Electric's top-of-the-line TIG welders.
Gentlemen, start your welder! Woo! The stabilizer have a lot of accessories, so it's a lot of fun. Woo! The little detail is like super important. You know, it's normal, chassis sometimes a little bit twist, but it's okay. We can all fix it. When you have a welder in metal, everything's fixable. That's why I like to break stuff, because we can fix it.
My bad.
You know, it's a real stack because it is smoking hot. So I have mirror, because girls need mirror.
Lunch time!
All right, torches down.
Do we get some participation trophy? We are at the pit party at the Lucas Oil Stadium. Super excited today. I get to compete with my beautiful monster truck behind me. Today is really special because we have some amazing Lucas Oil gifts. Those are all built at the Fab Shop by me and other fabricators, so we will get to give them to some special kid today. I'm excited. I cannot wait to see their reaction. Do you like it? Yeah. So we gave those trucks. It was so amazing. Kids' reaction was priceless. You guys know I like to build stuff, but now it's time to destroy it. I cannot wait to drive my monster truck, send it to the moon. It's time to go. I'm gonna go gear up.